Whew. Hi, I'm Kenia. Welcome to my channel. It's been a while. It's really hot. It's like 100 and something degrees outside right now. So I'll be drinking lots of water. We are doing my IPSY unboxing. Yeah, I already took it out of the box because I actually just kind of because I wanted to see the bag. It's popsicles, which are perfect for summer. I don't know the theme because I took the paper out. I put it away. It's in my room somewhere. I don't know. So first thing in the bag, I looked. Never supposed to look. Liquid Glass Miracle Smoothing Sealant from Dry Bar. Lasts through 3 washes, 3 shampooings. Okay. Is this a frizz fighter? Oh, so it's for smoothing hair when you're flat ironing, I guess. Oh yeah. Heat protectant up to 450 degrees. Okay. So when I flat iron my hair, I can use that. Cool. Which won't be till winter, but that's beside the point. Next thing is the Dewy Skin Vitamin C Glass Glow Primer by Ciate. Hopefully we won't have any birds chase us today. However, they have been super active in the yard. And I saw this massive bird. I thought he was a hawk at first. Cute. This is a primer. Coolness. Okay, I'm so hot. I'm so sweaty. Like, I'm literally sweating. I've been out here for like 3 minutes. Okay. Next thing is, oh, these are so cute. Hip dots. These are little blenders for your face, and they have their little logo on there. So these are going to be good for your under eye concealer, little spots here and there, little touch-ups. I don't know how big they get, but I'm sure you probably use them all the same way. You wet them and then, use them with your makeup. I didn't understand that. She's always talking when I'm talking. I'm not talking to you. Okay, next in the bag. It's not going to be a long video. This is by Ellie Main Beauty Matte Liquid Lipstick. Ooh. Oh, the color I think is Miami. Yes. The font is not good for my old eyes. Is that upside down? Oh, it is. Sorry. The color is Miami. Let's go ahead and pop that sucker out. Look at this packaging. Oh, that's cute. That's reminiscent of maybe a Revlon Color Stay situation. This is cute though. I like this. That's really pretty. Liquid lipstick. Okay. Sorry. Gonna keep this in the package. Sorry, that was super up close. My apologies. It's just so hot. I'm trying to do everything really quickly. I have one more thing in the bag. And that is the Neogen Dermology. Okay. Daylight Protection Airy Sunscreen in SPF 50. Very nice. This is for, it does say Dermology. Okay. Yeah, it's sunscreen. Airy Light. Let's see. Oh, and it's sealed for our protection. Let's see how airy light this really is. I have the fans on, but it really is not even blowing on me. Not even a little bit. And I'm so sad about it right now. Okay. Okay, well. Oh, okay. Let's see if it tints my skin ever so slightly yellow or white or whatever. It is really light, though. I will admit that. So this will be good under makeup. Oh, that's nice and clear. No white cast. Has a slightly freshy, citrusy scent. But it dries well. So I could use this as a moisturizer when I know I'm going to be outside. Not at the pool, though, because I'm trying to get tan. So the SPF 50 is not going to help me do that. Okay, so these are super cute. Next time I would use concealer, I will definitely be using one of these. This is probably not going to get used for several months. We'll see. We might have to give this away to one of my friends that dries their hair a lot. So it might be in their Christmas bag. And this, oh, the primer. I forgot to open the primer. We're still only at 5 minutes, so we're good. I did show you the bottle, but I didn't open it. Silly me. Again, sealed for safety. The birds are really talking. They're mad that I'm sitting out here. Okay, so we'll do this on the other hand. Oh, do you like my nails? It's June 2022, and June is Pride Month, and I did my nails for Pride this, which is next Saturday. So this is a primer. Let's see. It's actually thicker than the sunscreen, to be honest. It feels thicker. Okay. Very clear. It's a little bit slick. I may have put a little bit too much on, but that little bit went a long way because it's still very slick feeling. So give it a minute to dry. It's so hot. I cannot get over it. It is so flaming hot right now. Okay, that's it. That's my IPSY unboxing. In about a week or so, I'm not sure when it's going to come in. Bath and Body Works had a sale recently, and it was a 75% off sale. So of course, I bought a bunch of stuff, and so I will do a haul. I have two things right now that came in earlier than everything else. I'm not really sure why those two things came earlier, but everything else is on its way. So yes, I'll be doing a haul video from Bath and Body Works. These are my nails. I saw them on Pinterest, and my nail girl did them exactly as such, and they are so cute. Okay, that is my IPSY unboxing. I do get the IPSY Glam Bag Plus and the IPSY Glam Bag X, which is the one curated by celebrities and famous people, which are celebrities. Yeah, I'm so hot I can't even think. A breeze. Okay. So thank you for watching. And the Glam Bag Plus is $25 or $30 a month. And you get full-size products. And so I am super excited. I love it. I've gotten 0 duplicates, and I tweak my requests every so often just to make sure I don't get too much of one type of thing. You know, if I get too many nail polishes, then I back down on how often I want nail polishes. They're never the same colors. They're almost always, I think they've always all been different brands, and they're really nice because I use them when I go get my toes done and use them on my feet, and they last a long time. So thank you again. This weekend is Juneteenth. This weekend is Father's Day. Next weekend is Pride, which I hope my nails last that long. If not, I'll get a touch-up and have a redo them. I don't know. Maybe not. We'll see. And yeah, it's blazing hot. So y'all have a great day. Enjoy your time with your dads or your father figures. Honor those of you whose fathers have passed away. Honor your father this weekend, or any man that has been a father figure to you. And just have fun and enjoy life. Peace.